want you to revise some materials of our previous lesson, yeah? Box number 1, okay. Name 3 kinds of weather. What can you see in winter, for example, outside of your school? What can you see around you? What is it?
Snow.
Yes, you can see snow, and also sometimes you can see ice. Let's set some objectives, yeah? Lesson of speaking. Yeah, today what will we do? Describe Antarctica in pairs. Let's now look at this descriptor, yeah? You should write 6 words related to Antarctica. Yeah? 2 more words. Be quick. 6 words. You have finished it. Please stand up and show your answers. Listen and repeat.
Let's revise some words. Repeat after me. Let's go. Cold.
Cold.
Lake. Volcano.
Here's United States here. And Antarctica is underneath, yeah? Now look. This one, let's see this one, yeah? Close, Piatti, please. Aziza, is it bigger than the USA? Is it bigger?
Yes. Antarctica.
Is it light?
It's light summer.
Green smile, great job, green smile, okay? Be quick, okay? Next group, be ready, stand up. Next group, stand up, come. Who chose yellow smile?